Wobo afoo dhaabachuuf TDF afoo dhaabachuuf hin jiru dhugaadha. Qabsoonni hadhoofti. Qabsoon akkuma hadhooftu san gaafa waan isii dhufe mi'aa qabdi. Kanaaf jecha ilmaan Oromoo bakka itti dhufaate naftan jecha nafteenyaa jalatti gale kana akka ofirraa taa'u isinii jenna. No. Matsan. We must go. Free Jawad Muhammad. Justice for Hachalu. Justice for Hachalu. Dugaan Hachalu Yomu Nibati. Dugaan Hachalu Yomu Nibati. Free Jawad Muhammad. Free Bakkale Garba. Free Gammachu Ayyana. Free Abdi Rakkasa. Free Friend Mikhail Oren. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Oromia shall be free. Oromia must be free. Waliin jirra jennee, waliin jiraanna jennee, haddaa meeqaan argamne, manneen dhugaan galle.
Nah, yang macam orang. Oromoon yeroo waliin galee waliin qabsaayu yeroon isaa amma namtichi nama nyaataan sobee ummata keenya addaan facaase ummanni keenya iduun faca'in waliin dhaabatee diina afoo akka dhaabbatu dhaamsa keenya. US, please help our people. Abiy bombing our people. Abiy killing our people. Abiy killing our children. Abiy killing our women. Abiy killing our older. Abiy killing our farmer. Abiy is killing all Tigray people. Abiy is killing Oromo people. Abiy killing all. Ethiopian government is the killer. We stand with TDF. We stand with Tagaru. We stand with Oromo people. We stand with Kemant. We stand with Agao. We are together. We win this dictator, Abiy. We stand together and then we win Abiy. Abiy is the killer. Abiy a killer. Abiy must go. Abiy is not true leader. Abiy is genocider. Abiy is ISIS. He went to Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government genocider. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government the dictator. Abiy start bombing our people.
I'm in charge of our community outreach and engagement team, and so I was just wondering where we're planning on going today.
We go to figure out these things.
So which road are you trimming on? Madison. Okay, great. Right down there. So, all right. Okay, Madison.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a left. And then Okay, in the federal building. Okay, and then you're gonna hang out there. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so we'll hang out behind you guys and throw some lights on behind you, and then and help you out. So, and you have my phone number.
I don't, but I
Okay.
can get it now.
All right, you guys. Anybody can copy this down so you can give me a call.
Okay.
And Lieutenant Diamond. Yeah, 786 2783. Okay. All right. So yeah. So they're gonna go to Madison, go, and then we'll hang out in the federal building.
Yeah.
You guys hang off to one side. We'll try to block traffic for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Give it our best shot.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah. All right.
Ethiopian Prime Minister, stop killing our people. Ethiopia Prime Minister, stop killing our people. Ethiopian Prime Minister, stop bombing our people. Stop killing innocent people in Ethiopia. Abiy is the killer. Abiy is the killer. Abiy must go. Hey, oh ho, hey hey, Abiy must go. Hey hey, oh ho, Abiy must go. Thank you, US. Thank you, Biden. Thank you, American people. Thank you. We say, appreciate. Ethiopian government is the killer. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy is the killer. Abiy is the killer. Who's the killer? Who's the dictator? Who's the killer? We are. Amma sirra deebinee dhaamsa uummata Oromootiif guyyaan hadhaa jimaata. Yeroo ammaa hiriirri kun kan geggeeffamaa jiru sa'a lamarraa jalqabee haga ammaa sa'a sadiif kan deemaa jiru yoo ta'u, ummanni Oromoo bakka hunda bakka jirtanii kan nu dhageessan kaatanii sirna gabroonfataa nama nyaataa kana akka ofirraa kaaftan irra deebinee isin gaafanna. Keessattuu hayyoonni Oromoo dhaamsi nu isiniif qabnu gar tokkotti dhuftanii akka ummata keessan karaa irra keessan akka kaleessa Jawaar geggeessaa turetti geggeessaan jabaan ol baatanii walii galtanii akka ummata Oromoo nama nyaataa as deemaa jiru kana irraa hatantamaan baraartan isin gaafanna. Ethiopian government, stop killing our people. Ethiopian government, stop killing our people. Ethiopian government, stop bombing in Mekelle. Ethiopian government, stop killing Tigray people. Ethiopian government, stop killing Kimant people. Ethiopian government, stop killing Agao. Ethiopian government, stop genocide in Mekelle. Ethiopian government, stop genocide Tagarum. Ethiopian government, stop killing Oromo people. Oromo people must be win. Tigray people must be win. The genocide government must be go. Thank you, Biden, for helping our people. Thank you, America. Abiy is genocide. Abiy must go, Abiy to
Stop bombing Wallo. Stop bombing Mekelle. Abiy must go. Biden, act now. Sanction Ethiopia. Sanction Eritrea. Tigray will prevail. Oromia will prevail. Allow access to Tigray. Abiy Ahmed to the ICC. Abiy Ahmed, you can't hide. We charge you with genocide. Abiy Ahmed, you can't hide. We charge you with genocide. Ethiopia is guilty of genocide. Eritrea is guilty of genocide. I stand with Tigray. I stand with Oromia. Justice for Hachalu. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Bekele Garba. Free Tigray. Free Tigray. Free Tigray. Free Oromia. Free Oromia. Free Oromia. I stand with Imant. Fano out of Tigray. Fano out of Oromia. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. Stop the Tigray genocide. Stop the Oromo genocide. Stop the bombings. Drop food, not bombs. Abiy Ahmed to the ICC. Isaias to the ICC. Ethiopia is guilty of genocide. Eritrea is guilty of genocide. I stand with Tigray. I stand with Tigray. I stand with Tigray. Eritrea is guilty of genocide. Eritrea is guilty of genocide. Hey, hey, ho, ho. Abiy Ahmed's got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho. Abiy Ahmed has got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho. Abiy Ahmed has got to go. Abiy to the ICC. Abiy to the ICC. Isaias to the ICC. Stop the Tigray mass arrest. Stop the Oromo mass arrest. Stop bombing Wallo. Stop bombing Mekelle. Stop the Tigray genocide. Stop the Tigray genocide. Stop the Oromo genocide. Stop the Oromo genocide. Abiy Ahmed, you can't hide. We charge you with genocide. No justice. No peace. Fano out of Tigray. Fano out of Oromia. I stand with Tigray. I stand with Tigray. I stand with Oromia. I stand with Oromia. Justice for Hachalu. Justice for Hachalu. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Bekele Garba. Justice for Oromia. Justice for Oromia. Justice for Tigray. Justice for Tigray.
Hey, hey, oh, ho, Abiy must go. Amma sarra deebinee dhaamsa ilmaan Oromoo guutuudhaaf ilmaan Oromoo bakka jirtan hundatti kaa dhugaadhaaf dhaabbadhaa. Dharti ni kuftii, dhugaan ni mootii. Dhugaaf jabbiin galgala galtii. Dhugaa Hacaaluu Rabbi haa baasu. Akkasuma dhigaa ilmaan Oromoo bakka maratti jigaa jirtu Rabbi ni baasa. Oromoon ammoo ilmaan kan kee dhiiga jigaa jiru cal'istee yoo laaltu Rabbi akkas hin dhiisne ni beekta. Amantaa kiristaanaas Islaamas ka qabdu dhugaadhaaf dhaabachuun hedduu barbaachisaadha. Kanaaf dhaamsa ummata hundaaf nu qabnu kaatanii dhugaa bira akka dhaabattan. Dharti yoomuu ni kuftii, dhugaan hin kallatti malee hin cittu isiniin jenna. Free Jawar Muhammad, Free Baqqalee Garbaa, Free Abdii Raggaasaa, Free Gammachuu Ayyaanaa, Free Mikaa'el Booran, Free Hamza Booranaa. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy is a killer. Abiy is a killer. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy is a killer. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government is the dictator. European government is the killer. Ethiopian government must go. Who is the killer? Abiy is the killer. Who is the killer? All the PP is the killer. PP must go. PP must go. PP must go. Abiy must go. Abiy stop bombing Wallo. Abiy stop Abiy bombing Mekelle. Abiy stop. Abiy the killer. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government a dictator. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government the killer. Killer must go. Killer must go. Dem Ali. Killer must go. No space in Ethiopia for dictator. Dictator no live long life. Dictator no live long life. Dictator must go from Ethiopia. Free Tigray, free Oromia, free Sidama, free Benishangul, free Tigray. We stand with Tigray people. We stand with Oromo. We are Oromo. We are Oromo. We stand for truth. Abiy must go. Abiy the killer. Ethiopian government the killer. Ethiopian government a dictator. Dictator must go. Ethiopian government the killer. Killer must go. Hello? Hello? This Jatu.
Adis, yeah, telepon. Ali, apa mau dia lihat?
Yeah, you want to we have a park for a couple of minutes just to have yeah, so that we drop off Yes. Just you go back to Hotel Park.
Free Jawar Muhammad, Free Jawar Muhammad, Free Baqqalee Garbaa, Free Baqqalee Garbaa, Free Hamza Booranaa, Free Hamza Booranaa, Free Colonel Gammachuu Ayyaanaa, Free Colonel Gammachuu Ayyaana. Free Oromia. Free Oromo. Free Oromo. Free Tigray people. Free Tigray people. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Jawar Mohammed. No justice, no peace in Ethiopia. No justice, no peace in Ethiopia. Ethiopian government is killer. Abiy is a killer. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. USA, USA, take action. USA, take action. We need action. USA, we need action. USA, take action. Free Oromia. Free Oromia. Free Tigray. Free Tigray people. Free Oromia. What happened? Huh?
Only two, he said. I told you the police are behind our
Was ready on?
Stop bombing Wallo. Stop bombing Mekelle. Abiy must go. Biden acts now. Sanction Ethiopia. Sanction Eritrea. Stop Tigray mass arrest. Stop Oromo mass arrest. Allow access to Tigray. Tigray will prevail. Oromo will prevail. Stop the Tigray genocide. Stop the Oromo genocide. Abiy Ahmed to the Isaias to the ICC. Abiy Ahmed, you can't have Jewish genocide. Ethiopian troops out of Tigray. Ethiopian troops out of Oromia. Eritrean troops out of Tigray. Ethiopia is guilty of genocide. Eritrea is guilty of genocide. I stand with Tigray. I stand with Oromia. Justice for Hachalu. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Mekelle Garba. Free Tigray. Free Tigray. Free Oromia. Free Oromia. I stand with Gemont. Fano out of Tigray. Fano out of Oromia. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. Stop the Tigray genocide. Stop the Oromo genocide. Stop the bombings. Drop food, not bombs. Abiy Ahmed to the ICC. Isaias to the ICC. Abiy Ahmed, you can't have. We charge you with genocide. Ethiopia is guilty of genocide. Eritrea is guilty of genocide. I stand with Tigray. I stand with Oromia.
hundumti keessanuu yeroo tokko gara Asfayaatti dhaabannoo jennee bakka kanatti xalayaa dubbisnee deemna. Konkolaataa keessan bakkuma jiru dhaabaatii keessaa baya. Everybody come out from your car. Hurry up. We have only 10 minutes right here. Please come out from your car. Namni cuftuu konkolaataa keessan paarkii irra godhaa flash light keessaa baya gara kottaa. Thank you, CNN. Thank you, US. Thank you, BBC. Thank you, United States. Thank you, Sierra Police. Thank you, all Americans. With us. With the truth. We start with truth. Namni keenya dafaa konkolaataa keessaa baya, please. Everybody come out from your car. We have to say something right here, and then just we read the paper, and then we give our letters to the office. Ethiopian government the killer. Abiy the killer. Abiy must go. Ethiopian government stop bombing in Mekelle. Ethiopian government stop killing Tigray people. Ethiopian government stop killing.
You guys are going to send people to the next walk down.
We stand with truth. We are Israel. We stand with truth. We stand with truth. We are alone. We are enough. Thank you, Biden.
Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Bakale Garba. Free Bakale Garba. Free Gammachu Ayyana. Free Gammachu Ayyana. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Free all Oromo political prisoners. We denounce the assassination attempt. The assassination attempt of Oromo leaders. Of Oromo leaders. In Kaliti prisoner cells. We condemn the bombing of Wallo Oromos. We condemn, we denounce the bombardment of Mekelle city. We denounce the torture, the detention, the rounding of Tigaro and Oromos in Addis Ababa, in Adama, in Awasa, in Bushaftu, and other big cities. We denounce the assassination attempt against Jawar Mohammed. We denounce Abiy Mohammed. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed must go. Abiy Ahmed must go. Stop genocide. Stop genocide against Tigaro. Stop genocide. Stop genocide against Oromos. Free Oromo political prisoners. Free Oromo political prisoners. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. When? Abiy must go. Abiy must go. We are in a solidarity with TDF. We support the coalition of TDF and OLA. We demand for transitional government in Ethiopia. We demand transitional government in Ethiopia. There is no government in Ethiopia. The government in Ethiopia is mafia. The government in Ethiopia is mafia. The Ethiopian government is a killer. The Ethiopian government is a butcher. Ethiopian government is a butcher. Down, down, Naftanya. Down, down, Naftanya. Down, down, Naftanya. Down, down, PP. Down, down, PP. No more unitary government in Ethiopia. Sirna Naftanya Libala Fanna. Sirna Naftanya Jalatin Bulu. Oromon Bilisomu Kaba. Oromon Bolabomu Kaba. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Justice for Wallo. Justice for Wallo. Justice for Oromia. Justice for Oromia. Justice for Tagaru. Justice for Kimand. Justice for Benishangul. Justice for Gambella. Galatoma Ulfada. No, Abiy gonna go. When? Abiy must go. When? Kutajira Duranun Juru. You are just saying Abiy must go, but he is not in the office anymore. Abiy is over. Abiy's era is over.
Just say.
Stop the Tigray genocide. Stop the Tigray genocide. Stop the Oromo genocide. Eritrean troops out of Tigray. Ethiopian troops out of Tigray. Ethiopian troops out of Oromia. Fano out of Tigray. Fano out of Tigray. Fano out of Oromia. Fano out of Oromia. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. Stop bombing Wollo. Stop bombing Mekelle. Abiy must go. Biden act now. Sanction Ethiopia. Sanction Ethiopia. Sanction Eritrea. Sanction Eritrea. Stop the Tigray mass arrest. Stop the Tigray mass arrest. Stop Oromo mass arrest. Stop Oromo mass arrest. Allow access to Tigray. Allow access to Tigray. Tigray will prevail. Tigray will prevail. Oromia will prevail. Oromia will prevail. Abiy Ahmed, you can't hide. We charge you with genocide. Abiy Ahmed, you can't hide. We charge you with genocide. Ethiopia is guilty of genocide. Eritrea is guilty of genocide. Free Tigray. Free Tigray. Free Oromia. Free Oromia.
Free Wallagga! Free Wallagga! Stop killing Oromos in Wallagga! Stop killing Oromos in Wallagga! Stop killing Oromos in Guji! Stop killing Oromos in Guji! Stop killing Oromos in Borana! Stop killing Oromos in Borana! Stop starving Oromos in Borana! Stop starving Oromos in Borana! Stop starving Oromos in Bale! Stop starving Oromos in Bale! Stop killing Oromos in Wollo! Stop killing Wollo Oromos! Stop bombing Oromos in Wollo! Abiy must go!
Abiy must go!
When?
Now!
When?
Now!
PP must go!
Abiy must go!
When?
Now!
When?
Now! Today, man!
Haye amma itti aansine dhaamsa guyyaa har'aa
America le no godofada.
Okay. Thank you, Biden,
Thank you, Biden,
for sanctioning Eritrea.
for sanctioning Eritrea.
Thank you, America,
Thank you, America,
for sanctioning Ethiopia.
for sanctioning Ethiopia.
Thank you, CNN,
Thank you, CNN,
for exposing genocide.
for exposing genocide.
Thank you, CNN,
Thank you, CNN,
for exposing genocide in Tigray. Thank you, BBC,
thank you, BBC,
for telling the truth.
for telling the truth.
Thank you, CNN.
Thank you, CNN,
Thank you, AFP.
thank you, AFP,
Thank you, Reuters.
thank you, Reuters,
Thank you, international media,
thank you, international media,
for exposing human rights violation in Ethiopia.
for exposing human rights violation in
For
Ethiopia.
exposing human rights violation in Ethiopia. We need more.
We need more.
We need action.
We need action.
USA.
USA,
USA.
USA,
Take action.
take action.
Take concrete action.
Take concrete action.
Take concrete action against Ethiopia regime.
Take concrete action against the regime.
Eritrea.
Eritrea,
Eritrea.
Eritrea,
You are guilty of genocide.
genocide.
Eritrea.
Eritrea,
Eritrea.
Eritrea,
Take out your troops from Tigray.
take your troops to Tigray.
Eritrean troops from Tigray.
Eritrean troops from Tigray.
Eritrean troops out of Tigray.
Eritrean troops out of Tigray.
Eritrean security out of Oromia.
Eritrean security out of Oromia.
Eritrean security out of Addis Ababa.
Eritrean security out of Addis
Eritrean
Ababa.
security out of Oromia.
Eritrean security out of Oromia.
Death to Isaias.
Yes to Isaias.
Death to Isaias.
Yes to Isaias.
Death to dictator.
Yes to dictator.
Death to Abiy.
Yes to Abiy.
Abiy must go.
Abiy, let's go.
Abiy to ICC.
Abiy to ICC.
Isaias 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 to ICC.
Thank you, Biden,
Thank you, Biden,
for sanctioning
for sanctioning
Ethiopian
Ethiopian
government
government
officials.
officials.
Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer. Ethiopian regime is a killer. Ethiopian regime is a genocider. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Bakala Garba. Free Bakala Garba. Free Garbachu Ayana. Free Garbachu Ayana. Free Abdi Ragasa. Free Abdi Ragasa. Free down IPSA. Free down IPSA. Free all Oromo leaders. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Free all Oromo political prisoners. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No peace, no democracy.
Thank you, Abisha.
Jirta, jirta, Oromo jirta, Oromo jirta, Tigray jirta, jirta, TDF jirta, Ola jirta. አመሰግናለሁ። አይ ዊሽ ኦሮምኛ ብችልና በኦሮምኛ ብናገር ደስ ባለኝ ነበረ። ግን በአጭር ጊዜ ሁላችን ኦሮምኛ የምንማርበት ጊዜ ይመጣል። ግዴታ የሆነበት አንድ ቀን ይመጣል። ይሄ አትጠራጠሩ። የተሰጣቸው እድል ስላልተጠቀሙበት የምንሰጣቸው እድል ከዚህ በኋላ የለም። ስለዚህ ዛሬ እዚህ ቆመን እያለን ወንድሞቻችን በድሮን እየተደበደቡ ነው፣ እያለቁ ነው፣ ግንባር ላይ ሲጨፈጨፉ በወሎ ኦሮሞ በትግራይ መቀሌና ሌሎችን በዛውንም በወለጋም ንጹሃንን እየጨፈጨፉ ነው። ይሄ ስርዓት መቃብር ካልገባ በስተቀር ምንም መፍትሄ እንደማይገኝለት አይተነዋል። በገዛ ወንድሞቹ ለዚህ ላበቁት ወንድሞቹን ክዶ ወንድሞቹንም አፍኖ እየገደለ እንዳለ እያየነው ነው። ለየት ባለ መልኩ በመንግስት እጅ የገባ በመንግስት ቁጥጥር ስር የገባ እስረኛ ተብሎ የታሰረ ሰው አውጥቶ ከእስር ቤት ሲገድል የምናይበት የመጀመሪያ መንግስት ነው የሚሆነው። ስለዚህ ይህ ስርዓት መቃብር ለማስገባት የትግራይና የኦሮሚያ ኃይሎች በጋራ የሚያደርጉትን ትግል አብረን እዚህ ቆመን ለመደገፍ ነው። እስከዛሬ ድረስ ባደረግናቸው እንቅስቃሴዎችን በጋራ ድምጻችን ስናሰማ ቆይተናል። በተሟላ መልኩ ባይባልም የአሜሪካ መንግስትም ሆነ የሌላ ማህበረሰብ ድምጻችን እየሰማ ነው። በተናጠል የመንግስት ኦፊሻሎችንም ማዕቀብ እየጣለ ነው። ግን ይህን ማዕቀብ በቂ አይደለም። ይህንን ማዕቀብ የመጀመሪያ ስቴፕ ነው እንጂ የመጨረሻ ስቴፕ አይደለም። ስለዚህ ወደ ፍርድ ቤት የሚቀርቡበትን ጊዜ ማመቻቸት አለበት። ይህንን ጦርነት ወደን የገባንበት አይደለም። የኦሮሞ ሰራዊት ወይም የኦሮሞ ነጻነት ግንባር ሰራዊት መንግስትን አምኖ ከነትጥቁ ወደ መንግስት ገብቶ የተካደ ሰራዊት ነው። ይህንን ሰራዊት በተለያየ መንገድ በሰላም ህዝቡንም ከህዝቡ ጋር ለመስራት ገብቷል። ነገር ግን እንዳያችሁት እነ ጆሃርና እነ በቀለ ገርባ ሌሎችና ሐምዛ ኦሮሞና እነ ዳዊት ኢብሳ ያደረጋቸው ሰራዊቱም እንደዛ ለማድረግ አቅደው ነገር ግን ብልጥ ስለሆነ ቀድሞ ስለነቃበት ነው ወደዚህ ደረጃ የደረሰው። ስለዚህ በየግንባሩ እየተፍረከረከ ያለው ሰራዊቱን የፋሺስት ሰራዊት እሱን አንዴና ለመጨረሻ ጊዜ ለመቅበር ሰራዊቱ በጋራ የሚያደርገውን ትግል እንደግፋለን። በሌላ መልኩ ደግሞ ነገ የሚኖረው የኢትዮጵያ ጣፋንታ ምን ወስነው እዚህ የቆምነው እኛ ነን። እኛ መሆናችን ደግሞ ማረጋገጥ የምንችለው በመናደርገው ትግል ነው። ትናንት እንደዚህ አልነበረ። 83 ዓመተ ምህረት እንደዚህ አልነበረ። ሁሉም ዋጋ የከፈለና ያልከፈለ እኩል እድል ተሰጥቶት ዋጋ ለከፈለ እንደዚህ የሚያሰቃይበት እድል ተሰጥቶታል ማለት። ስለዚህ ሁለተኛ አይሆንም ይሄንን ነገር ቅድም ያልኩት ለዛ ነው። ስለዚህ እያንዳንዳችን ሁላችን ነቅተን ይሄንን ስርዓት የሚያደርገውን ነገር በማጋለጥ እያንዳንዱ የብልጽግና ካድሬ በህግ ፊት የሚቀርብበት ሁኔታ ማመቻቸት አለብን። ሁላችን በዚህ መስዋዕት ለማድረግ ጊዜያችንም ሆነ ገንዘባችን መስዋዕት ለማድረግ እንዘጋጅ። ትግላችን እስከ መጨረሻ ነው። እስከ ጠላታችን እስኪቀበር ድረስ ነው። ይሄንን ደግሞ ከ2 ሳምንት ከ3 ሳምንት በላይ አይሆንም። እርግጠኛ ሆነ የምንነግራችሁ በ130 ኪሎ ሜትር ርቀት ላይ ያለው ስርዓት 130 ቀን ማይፈጀም 130 ሰዓታት ካልሆነ በስተቀር ድላችን በቅርብ ነው። እናሸንፋለን። ተዓወቲና
ቀነኒት ዋጀዳ የዳሜት ይስትከና
When people are occupied, resistance is justified. Free Jawar Muhammad, free Oromia.
Thank you, Kadani. kanatti ansaanis kaayyoon hiriirarraa maal akka ta'e gabaabsee isinii kaasa. Barreeffamaanis afaan Ingiliffaatiin qophaa'ee jira. Isa sabboonaan akka nu dubbisu goona. Kaayyoon hiriira guyyaarraa akkuma beektanii biyyi Oromiyaa biyyi sun rakkoo guddaa keessa jirti. Keessumattuu hooggantoonni siyaasaa Jawaar Mohaammed faa, Baqqalee Garbaa faa, Gammachuu Ayyaanaa faa hedduun isaanii hooggantoonni Oromoo ija Oromoo ta'an sammuu Oromoo ta'an yeroo ammaa Qaallitti guyyaarraa dhaamsa cimaa mootummaa Itoophiyaatiif mootummaa jechuunis hin danda'amu shiftaadha. Mootummaa shiftaa ka yeroo ammaa qarqara boollaa jiru qarqara qilee jiru dhaamsa dabarsuu fi barbaanna jechuudha. Wanti hiriirri konkolaataa kun yaamamee fi dhaamsa ifa ta'e dhaamsa cimaa tokko Jawaar Mohaammed faa sirri nafxanyoonni Jawaar Mohaammed faa kan tuqan yoo taate saba isaanii ka Oromiyaa keessa jiru kan miliyoona 10 qabsiisanii isaan haa tuqanii. Jawaar Mohaammed faa, Baqqalaa Garbaa faa hooggantoota ABO hooggantoota siyaasaa Oromoo Qaallitti keessa jiran eegumsa godhuufiin dirqama isaaniiti. Kana godhuu dhabuurraa negligensii isaaniirraa wanni tokko yoo isaanirra ga'e ummanni biyyaatiis isaan hin dhiisu, ummanni addunyaatiis isaan hin dhiisu jechuudha. Kanaaf qeerroodhaafis manguddoo biyyaatiifis dhaamsa qaba. Qeerroon gadi ba'iitii hayyoota kee eeggadhu. Qeerroon gadi ba'iitii hayyoota kee eeggadhu. Hayyoonni amma mana hidhaa jiran Qaallitti keessa jiranii hooggantoonni Oromoodha. Hooggantoota waggaa 100 waggaa 500 oomishuun hin danda'amne. Kennaa Rabbiin uummata Oromootiif kenne. Kennaa kana diinaaf dabarsitee yoo kennite Oromoon waggaa 150 miti waggoota 300-400 dhufaniif illee hooggansan argatu. Kana beekiitii qaroo kee gadi ba'i eegi. Qeerroo dhadhagaye Jawaar Mohaammed faa hooggantoonni siyaasaa ABO hooggantoonni Oromoodha. Qaallitti keessatti waan takka taanaan gaheen qeerroo gaheen ummata Oromoo ka biyya keessa jiru mataa keessan gubbaa jira jechuudha. Gadi ba'aatii qaroo keessan eegaa. Gadi ba'aatii hooggantoota keessan eegaa. Mootummaa
maqaan isii Detective Cookie jedhamti. Dhuftee waa jechuu barbaaddi. Maala harka dhayaafi.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, right here. Okay. Hi. Thank you for being out here, and thank you for being peaceful. Whenever you guys going to have a march or you want to come to anywhere, let me know, let us know, and I'll make sure that we have traffic just right for you so you could come through, you could park, and it will be okay. And we will direct you guys. We will direct you guys to where to park and make sure that it's safe for you. Okay? So just remember, I'm Detective Cookie. I'm the one with the Detective Cookies Chess Club. Go to Facebook, like my page. I teach you little kids how to play chess. Yeah, so, but for sure, contact me. This is my buddy here. And she knows how to get in touch with me as well. Me and her, we've been friends for a very long time. And this is my sergeant. This is my lieutenant, Lieutenant Diamond. He is a very positive person and want to do positive things within the community with us. And so that we can make it safe for you and we can give you the opportunity to peacefully protest or make a peaceful speech whenever you want to, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Seattle Police.
Thank you.
I just
want to say thank you, everybody. I got a loud voice, so thank you, everybody, for coming here. Thank you for being peaceful. Thank you for working with us. We look forward to working with you anytime you guys want to. We, Seattle Police Department, we've started up a police outreach and engagement team, and we're all about making sure that everybody is safe, everybody is peaceful, and you guys can engage in your First Amendment rights of free speech, right? So,
thank you. Thank you, SPU. SPD.
Thank you.
Thank you, SPD.
Yay!
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So, hagala to mani warri siyaatiin poolisiitis waa'ee hidhamtoota siyaasaa Oromoo irratti gadi qabnee dubbanna. Diyaaspooraan hawaasni magaalaa Siyaatil waa'ee hidhamtoota siyaasaa irratti ijannoo cimaa qabna, yaaddoo guddaa qabna. Kanaaf protestii kana hiriira kana guyyaa lama keessatti qopheessuudhaaf murteessinee asitti waliin qabamne. Kanarratti uummanni Oromoo biyya keessa jiru qeerroon ciminaan hojjechuu qabdan kan jedhu dhaamsa isinii qabna. Kanatti aansee wanti dubbachuu barbaadu waa'ee gamtoomina oolaatii fi TDF irratti isarratti deeggaruu qabna jechuudha. Keessumattuu waraana keenya waraana adda bilisummaa Oromoo WBO Oolaa Oromoo Liberation Army deeggaruu qabna. Wanti deeggarruuf qabsoon karaa nagaa dhaabbate hin jiru jechuudha. No more qabsoo karaa nagaa hin jiru. Qabsoo karaa nagaa wanti jedhamu hin jiru. Humnaan uleedhaan mirga keenya kabachiifne. Walabummaa fi bilisummaa Oromiyaa humnaan malee kabachiisuun hin danda'amu. They got enough time. They got enough time. Qabsoo karaa nagaa jennee wareegama guddaa kafallee jirra. Kana booda wanti Oromoo baasu humna qofa. Humnaan walabummaa fi bilisummaa Oromiyaa gadhaabna. Isarrattis guyyaa boruu gargaarsa WBOtu jira. Namni tokko manatti nafina. Let's support our troops. Let's support our military. Gabbaatee gargaara. Manuma teenyee hidhii muxachuun homaa faayidaa nuuf hin qabu. Haa gargaarru. Haa gargaaru. Uummata keenya kabeelaa'ees haa gargaaru. Waraana keenyaas haa gargaaru. Cinaa haa dhaabbannu. Akkanumatti bu'aa barbaaduun hin jiru. Waa godhuutu nurraa eegama. Yaadaan, beekumsaan, maallaqaan, humnaan. Kanaaf kanarratti isaa hojjennu isiniin jedha. Karaa biraatiin mootummaan Itoophiyaa mootummaadha jechuun hin danda'amu. Qarqara irra jira, qarqara qilee irra jira. Isa gartee gisee dhiibnee qileetti gadi darbine mootummaan amma jigaa jiru kun akka Oromiyaa irratti hin jigne. Oromoon hayyoonni Oromoodhaa beektonni Oromoodhaa qophaa'uu qabu. Road maappiin qophaa'uu qaba. Waraannis akkuma jirutti ta'ee Oromoon fedhii siyaasaa, fedhii dinagdeetii fi fedhii hawaasummaa isaa karaa hayyoota isaatiin mirkaneeffachuudhaaf diyaaspooraanis hawaasni biyya keessa jirus harka ol qabannee qophaa'uu qabna. Bilisummaan dhiyoo jirti. Bilisummaa fiduudhaaf haa jabaannu, haa hojjennu isiniin jedha. Jawaar Mohaammed faa, Baqqalaa Garbaa faa, Gammachuu Ayyaanaa faa aggaamni taphaatii miti torbaan dabre guyyaa kamisaa assassination attempt yaalii ajjeechaatu irratti deeme jechuudha. Rabbiif baan rabbitu isaan baase. Kanaaf wanni akkanaa kun keessumattuu sirna naftanyaa kan yeroo ammaa aangoo irraa qabu gatii guddaa akka kafalchiisu warri biyyaatis itti himuu qaba jechuudha. I wanna say this in Amharic.
Yes.
I wanna say this in Amharic.
Yes.
በአማርኛ አጠር ያለ ንግግር ማለት ፈልጋለሁ።
ለሷ ስጣት። ያ
እሺ፣ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። ስሜ ለገሰ ነው። የቅማንት ተወላጅ ነኝ። እኛ ቅማንቶች ዛሬ የመጣ ነው ከብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ጋር፣ ከቲዲኤፍ ጋር፣ ከኦቦ ጋር፣ ከአገው ነፃ አውጪ ጋር፣ ከሁሉ ከኢትዮጵያ ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ጋር ይሄን የአብይን የነፍጠኛውን ስርዓት ለማስወገድ ነው። እና ቅማንቶች ይሄን በትግራይ፣ በኦሮሞ፣ በሁሉም ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች የሚደረገውን ጭቆና፣ ግድያ በተለይ ደግሞ በተጋሩ በትግራይ ተወላጆች በየትኛውም በኢትዮጵያ ክልል የሚገኙ የትግራይ ተወላጆችን መገደላቸው፣ ንብረታቸው መዘረፋቸው፣ ብዙ ነገር የሚደርስባቸው ለመቃወም ነው። ሌላው ለቲዲኤፍ ማስተላለፈው መልእክት ይሄን ወታደራዊ ጨዋነታችሁን ይዛችሁ ከመላው ከብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ጋር ሆናችሁ ከመላው ከብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ጋር ሆናችሁ ይሄን የዘውዳዊን ስርዓት እንደምታስወግዱ ተስፋ እናደርጋለን። ሁሉም ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ደግሞ ከጎናችሁ ናቸው። አመሰግናለሁ። እኛም ደግሞ የቅማንት ተወላጆች እድል ስለሰጣችሁ ያመሰግናለሁ።
እናመሰግናለን። እህታችን አጋርነታችንን እንገልጻለን ለቅማንት፣ ለአጋው፣ ለቤኒሻንጉል፣ ለጋምቤላ፣ ለአፋር፣ ለሶማሌ፣ ለሁሉም ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች አምስት ቤተሰብ ያጣች እህታችን ነች። ብዙ ጊዜ በኦኤምን ላይ በተለያዩ ሚዲያዎች ላይ ቀርባ የገጠማትን አሳዛኝ ክስተት በተለያዩ ሚዲያዎች ላይ ገልጻለች እና የተፈጸመባቸው ኢሰብአዊ ድርጊት ጄኖሳይድ ነው፣ ዘር ማጥፋት ነው። ከቤተሰብ አንድ ሰው ብቻ ነው የተረፈው፣ አንዷ እሷ ነች። ስለዚህ አሁን እዚህ የወጣንበት ዋነኛው ምክንያት እንደዚህ አይነቱን ግፍ እንደዚህ አይነቱን ጭካኔ የተመላበት ግድያ ለመቃወም ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከቅማንት ጎን ነን፣ ኦሮሞዎችም ተጋሮዎችም ከአጋው ከቅማንት ከሁሉም ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ጎን ነን። ስለዚህ ይሄ ስርዓት ሊያበቃለት ይገባል። ይሄ ጨቋኝ ስርዓት፣ ይሄ ፋሽስት ስርዓት፣ ይሄ አምባገነናዊ አሃዳዊ ስርዓት በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ ወደ መቃብር ሊገባ ይገባል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ሁላችንም ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያለን ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች እጅ ለእጅ ተያይዘን ሳንከፋፈል ይሄንን አሃዳዊ የነፍጠኛ ስርዓት መቃብሩን ቆፍረን ግብአተ መሬቱን ማፋጠን አለብን የሚል መልእክት አለኝ። ሌላው ሰሞኑን በነ ጀዋር መሐመድ ላይ የተቃጣውን የግድያ ሙከራ ባለፈው ሐሙስ ኖቬምበር 15 ከምሽቱ 2:40 ላይ በኢትዮጵያ አቆጣጠር የደህንነት አባላትና የፌደራል ፖሊስ ልብስ የለበሱ ግለሰቦች ገብተው መሳሪያ የያዙ ገብተው እንደሱ ያሉበትን ክፍል ጠይቀው ጥቃት ለመፈጸም በተዘጋጁበት ሁኔታ ከጠባቂዎቻቸው በገጠማቸው ተግዳሮት መሰረት ግቢውን ጥለው እንዲወጡ ተደርጓል። በዲያስፖራ ያለን ኦሮሞዎችም ሆኖ በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያሉ ኦሮሞዎች በሙሉ ቄሮች፣ ቀሬዎች ሁላችንም አንድ መልእክት ነው ያለን ለዚህ ለነፍጠኛው ስርዓት። እነ ጀዋር መሐመድ ከተነኩ እነ ጀዋር መሐመድ ጫፋቸው የሚነካ ከሆነ ዋጋው የምትከፍሉት ዋጋ በጣም ከባድ ነው የሚሆነው። አስቡበት። ይህንን እርምጃ ከመውሰዳችሁ በፊት ሊከተላችሁ የሚችለውን እርምጃ አስቡበት፣ ደጋግማችሁ አስቡበት። ስለዚህ እነ ጀዋር መሐመድ የታሰሩት ሁሉም የኦሮሞ ፖለቲካ ድርጅት መሪዎች የታሰሩት በግፍ ነው። አልሰረቁም፣ አልገደሉም፣ ምንም ያደረጉት ነገር የለም። ስለ ኦሮሞ መብት በመናገራቸውና የነፍጠኛውን ስርዓት በመቃወማቸው ብቻ ነው። ስለዚህ ለነዚህ ሰዎች ለኦሮሞ መሪዎች ፍትህ እንፈልጋለን። በአስቸኳይ ከእስር ቤት ሊፈቱ ይገባል። ይህንን ባታረጉና በእነሱ ላይ ጉዳት የሚደርስ ከሆነ የምትከፍሉት ዋጋ ይከብዳል። በሰንቸሪ ልታስቡት የማትችሉትን ዋጋ ልትከፍሉት ይችላላችሁ የሚል ግልጽ የሆነ መልእክት ልናስተላልፍና ግልጽ የሆነ ማስጠንቀቂያ ልንሰጣችሁ ነው። ዛሬ እዚህ ፌደራል ቢልዲንግ ፊት ለፊት ሰላማዊ ሰልፍ የወጣ ነው። ስለዚህ እኛ በሲያትል የምንኖር ኦሮሞዎች፣ ተጋሮች፣ የቅማንት ተወላጆች፣ ሌሎችም ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ይህ ስርዓት የኛ ስርዓት አይደለም እያልን ነው። ይህ ስርዓት የጥቁር ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ስርዓት አይደለም። የአሃዳውያን የነፍጠኛው የአምባገነኑ የነ ምኒልክ የነ ኃይለ ሥላሴ ስርዓት ናፋቂዎች ስርዓት ነው፣ የኛ ስርዓት አይደለም። ስለዚህ ይሄንን ስርዓት እጅ ለእጅ ተያይዘን ግብአተ መሬቱን ለማፋጠን ከቲዲኤፍ እና ከኦላ ከአገው ነጻ አውጪ ድርጅት ከጋምቤላ ነጻ አውጪ ድርጅት ከአፋር ከሌሎችም የብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ታጋዮች ጋር ተባብረን ይህንን ስርዓት ወደ መቃብር እንደምንጥል እርግጠኞች ነን። ስለዚህ ትብብራችን ይቀጥል የሚል መልእክት ነው ያለኝ። አመሰግናለሁ። አሁን ለዕለቱ የተዘጋጀ በእንግሊዘኛ የተጻፈ ፕሬስ ሪሊዝ አለን። ያንን ወንድሜ ሰቦና አነበዋል። አከሰኑ ለገፈተንን ከበጃን ሲናፈራ አምሲኩን ሞቱማ ፊ ሲንዴማ ወራ ሴናተሮታቲ ፊ ኮንግረስ ማኒፍ ውመን ኢቢስ ፖስታዳን ኤርግኔ ጅራ ከነ ቆፋ ሚቲ ብልብላኒስ ጀረ ከና ዋናም ኢትዮጵያ keessatti deemaa jiru bilbilaan hubachiisuun itti bilbiluun mootummaa Itoophiyaa irratti dhiibbaa daran akka taasisan godhuun hedduu barbaachisaadha. Kanaaf sabboona haa dhageeffannu. Galatooma gama kiyya.
Thank you. Statement of Oromo Community of Greater Metropolitan City of Seattle. We, Oromo Community of Greater Metropolitan City of Seattle, express our grave concern on the rapidly deteriorating political situation and the ongoing civil war in Ethiopia. Over the past several years, successive Ethiopian governments have been targeting ethnic majority of the Oromo people living in and outside of the current Oromia regional state. The alarming human rights violations in recent times have escalated in an indescribable degree. Extrajudicial public executions, imprisonments, disappearances, dismemberment, mass detention in concentration like camps, assassination of political leaders and artists of Oromo and Tigray citizens became a daily occurrence. Atrocities in Oromia started shortly after the death undeserved Nobel Peace Laureate, the current world lord Abiy Ahmed came to power. Our people have endured heinous human rights violations amid our continuous protests and appeals for the international community to take the necessary but timely measures. It is sad to mention that our plea didn't get the desired result until the civil war broke last year in Tigray. As the war expanded southward, the Abiy government resolutely conducted several air and drone raids against our civilian Oromo population in Wollo area with an estimated civilian toll of 70 Oromos. The current Ethiopian government in power and its supporters have been unleashing their targeted assassinations, mass incarcerations and dismemberment on immense scale since Abiy Ahmed assumed power in April 2018. They have conducted and are continuously conducting assassinations of key political figures from Oromo and Tigray people in the name of protecting the country's unity and territorial integrity. Although they have camouflaged their crimes with the name of protecting Ethiopia, their acts are directed in bringing old hegemony or bringing to power of the single nationality over the more than 82 nationalities. Suppressing the rights of people in the Federation is in a complete disregard to the constitutional protected human and democratic rights of nations and nationalities in Ethiopia. We recall the political assassination attempt against Jawar Mohammed on October 23, 2019. The murder of singer and human rights activist Hachalu Hundessa on June 29, 2020. Orchestrated an all-out war against Tigray regional state and political opposition figures in the state of Oromia. Massive arrest of political leaders in Oromia that included Jawar Mohammed on a fabricated allegation with no due process of the law for more than a year are few of the milestones that we believe deteriorated the country's current political condition. We recall these with deep bitterness and sorrow. Unforgivably, on November 18, 2021, we learned that another assassination attempt against prominent Oromo politicians that included Jawar Mohammed, Bekkele Gerba, Abdi Rogasa, Lemmi Benya, and others who are under heavily protected notorious Kaliti prison have been carried out. Orchestrators of the most current attempt are the same government security apparatus led by people who disguise their political interest in the name of protecting Ethiopian empire of the old era. While these thugs tried their assassination attempt at home, they have also conducted Ethiopian and Eritrean government-sponsored #NoMore rally to cover up their crimes and opposing the US government and UN-sponsored mediation initiatives as colonial occupation bid against black nations that starts with the conqueror of Ethiopia. Whereas their misinformation and disinformation efforts are deplorable, we, Oromo community of Greater Metropolitan City of Seattle, stress the need to mount extreme pressure on Ethiopian government as the leader of that country is directly involved in the ongoing war against citizens of the country, which rallied supporters of the government, provoking further bloodshed and complicate chances of peaceful settlement of the political turmoil in the country. Over the years, we, Oromo community of Greater Metropolitan Seattle, City of Seattle, have been protesting and expressing our concern regarding the gross human rights violations taking place in Oromia and Tigray states, which has now engulfed the country into indescribable civil war. Though late, we appreciate the US government envoy and the Secretary of State, the UN Special Envoy through former Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo as encouraging. We believe the country's political discourse shall be determined with the involvement of all stakeholders despite political affiliations of any nature. Given this great context, we delivered the following resolution for serious consideration. 1. Immediately stop the war without no condition. 2. Free all political prisoners and guarantee their safety after their release. 3. Form an all-inclusive transitional government with duty of bringing the constitutional order in Ethiopia. 4. Allow unfettered access for humanitarian help in all war-affected areas across the country, namely in Tigray and Oromia region. 5. Allow UN-sponsored independent investigation into all human rights violations, assassinations, war crimes, and genocides allegations in Kemant, in Amara region, and everywhere in Ethiopia. The Oromo community of Greater Metropolitan City of Seattle, November 26, 2021.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kabona. ይቅርታ አድርጉልኝ ማሳጥሬ ነው ትንሽ ትግላችን እኔ አሁን ትግራዋይ ነኝ ይህንን ጨካኝ ስርዓት የድሮ ስርዓት ለመመለስ ተደመቀ ትናንት አንድ ምሁር የኦሮሞ ምሁር ዩቲዩብ ላይ አይቼ ነበር ሰምቼ ነበር እና ምንድን ነው የሚለው የአሳማ ብሔረተኝነት ይላል የአሳማ ብሔረተኝነት ፍጹም የማይጠግብ የሌሎችንም መብትና የፖለቲካ ዕድል የሚደፍቅ አደገኛ የሆነ በብሔር አማራ የሚል ይንቀሳቀስ ግን ደግሞ ሌሎቹን ብሔር ብሔረሰቦችን ማጥፋት የሚፈልግ አደገኛ ቡድን እኔ ያለው አሁን ስልጣን ላይ ይሄንን የኦሮሞ ህዝብ ትልቁ በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያለውን የኦሮሞ ህዝብ አደገኛ ከትግራይ በኋላ በአደገኝነትን ማጥፋት የሚፈልጉት ያንን ህዝብ ነው። ስለዚህ አንድ ላይ ሆነን ይህንን አደገኛና ጦረኛ የሆነ ግፈኛ ፋሽስት በዓለም ላይ ታይቶ አታውቅም። በሂትለር ዘመን ይደረግ የነበረውን ሙሉከኛንም እንደ በግ የሚያርድ በጥይት የሞተውን ጋዛ ክፉ የሚደሰት ሽታ የሬሳን በዓለም ላይ አልታየም በናዚ ካልሆነ በስተቀር። ያንን አደገኛ ቡድን አንድ ላይ ሆነን ማስወገድ አለብን፣ እናስወግደዋለን ደግሞ። ስለዚህ ጥንካሬያችን ፍጹም መሆን አለበት። የፖለቲካ እስረኞችን ቀደም እንደተባለው መፈታት አለባቸው። ሰላም የሚፈልግ ከሆነ በሰላም ማለቅ አለበት፣ ካልሆነ ደግሞ በሚገባው ጥይት እናስወግደዋለን። ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም እና እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልኝ። ቴንክ ዩ ቬሪ ማች።
ኦኬ ኤርጋ ግራጠር ነው
ኤርጋን ኬን ኤርጋ ቦሮቲ ሁንዱምቱ ኬሰኑ